We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2019 Ram 3500 with the Cummins diesel. Stock number is 29273T. This is a new arrival here. This is the 3500 heavy duty with the Cummins turbo diesel. This is a crew cab dually, 8-foot bed. This has a sport package on it, so as we're looking at this, you'll see that the front bumper is white. You know, it's body colored, and that's what makes a sport package. This is equipped with the LED high intensity fog lights, rear front park assist. The new Ram grille looks very nice on the new 19s. A little bit different design on the hood also. We have equipped this with the alloy wheels, the very nice wheels. Taking a look around at the crew cab, it is equipped with the trailer tow mirrors. These flip out. This particular model has a switch to make those go in. If you're in a tight squeeze, you can easily put those in and give you a little more room to park a truck. Just a quick walk around before we get on the inside. Once again, this is a sport package. As you can see in the rear, we've got the white bumper, 7 and 4-pin hitch, a 20,000-pound trailer hitch receiver, rear backup camera, rear park assist. This is a Bighorn edition. Comes right from the factory with a spray-in bed liner, and we've got the 5th wheel gooseneck prep kit in this. Also gives you 7-pin wiring right there on the side of the truck. LED lights in the bed, helps light things up when you've got some things in there that you want to find at night. It does have the rear backup camera up on the rear tail light too, that'll show what your bed load is. So if you need to look at things in the bed, you can see that. Taking a look at the inside, this Bighorn is equipped with the cloth interior. I've got a power driver's seat with lumbar control, power windows, locks, tilt steering, cruise control, automatic headlights. As I mentioned, these trailer tow mirrors, they are heated, they flip up, so you got more visibility when you're towing. If you want to put them in, you just hit a button and they do fold in. Again, if you're in a place where you're kind of a tight squeeze, that's very helpful. Got the bucket seats in the front. Center console, adjustable, different configurations for that center console. Crew cab gives you plenty of room in the back. Once again, a little more information basically on this truck is it's got the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel, 1,000 pounds of torque on this vehicle. Got the Aisin 6-speed transmission. Got the center high mount rear view camera. The level 1 equipment group gives you the 8.4-inch display for your radio. We've got front fog lights. We've got, like I said, the trailer tow mirrors. We also have XM radio on this. When you get into the sport package, you know, you've got your painted front bumper, your body color surround, the grill, surround grill. We have the heavy duty prep in this for the snowplow group that gives you a 220 amp alternator and also a transfer skid plate. Stepping inside, like I said, there's plenty of room, leg room in this. I'm 6'1", I've got plenty of room. You can see your 8.4 touchscreen radio on this Bighorn package. You've got some auxiliary switches that we put in this, so if you do need to upfit this at all, they're there. Trailer brake control, 4-wheel drive system with 4-wheel drive high, 2-wheel drive, and 4 low. You do have a neutral position on this too. Dual glove boxes, gives you plenty of storage room there. Like I said, your center console is adjustable to vary the storage stuff in that. Cruise control up there on the steering wheel. You've got hands-free communication for your telephone system. speakers everywhere to help the good sound of this vehicle. Stepping back out, rear seat does fold up. Got a fold flat floor available here. Fold that down. You know, if you're going on a trip and you want to put some luggage in there, both sides will fold down and gives you a little bit of storage area inside. Cup holders in the back. The new interior is extremely nice. It's a grade up on the interior. This is in the dark gray, black combination interior. If you're looking for a truck to tow something, this Ram 3500 matched with that Cummins turbo diesel, the Aisin transmission is a great tow truck. Like I said, 1,000 pounds of torque in this. The towing capacity is above anybody in the industry right now. This is just one of the number of trucks that we have here at Sherry Chrysler in the commercial area. We have trucks with service bodies on it. We got service body, aluminum beds. We've got cargo vans. So if you're looking for a truck, come to Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Look at stock number 29273. For more information, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.